forget to remove the audio. Yes. So I was explaining to you guys. Um, yeah, I was just explaining what I've seen, and oh my goodness, this is a world of everything, of all material things in life. But something just ran into my mind randomly, and I'm like, well, you can buy yourself anything in this world. You will buy yourself any kind of luxury, all these big, big yachts and stuff. You can afford anything, you can buy anything. If you have the money and you want something, definitely you will get it. Now, why I'm shooting this video is just to to give you some hope and tell you, don't feel bad, don't run for any material thing. Remember, something material is something that can go any minute. You can have it now and the next minute it's normal. It can just go. Either it's used, either it goes kaput, or it's of no use again. It can get stolen, you can get robbed, or whatever. I have to move from here, it's too hot. Yeah. Now my point is, don't run for material things. Look at this. Look at all these yachts. Look at all these yachts. Yes. So, look at all these yachts. You might look at me here and think I'm running mad, but I just came to see what I have seen, what I've never seen, and keep in my mind that whether you have something or you don't have, what matters in life is, are you happy in your life? Are you satisfied with what you have? Don't just run for material things. I can tell you, I have seen, oh my god, oh my goodness, look at all this pot. If you walk around here, you will see things you've never seen ever in your life. Or maybe I'm the only one who's never seen this, but the thing is, all these material things will not take you to heaven. Give yourself some hope, trust in the Lord. Your dreams are valid always and ever, and there's no one who cannot get this. I believe with hard work and everything, things are possible. Yeah. What I just wanted to say is, you can have everything in this world, but will you die? Will you be buried with your yachts? Will you be lying in this grave or go to hospital with your yachts? Will you? Definitely no. All of us here in this world, we are here to enjoy life, to live that moment. But back in your mind, anything you buy, it does not matter how much luxury you have, how much it costs, you will not go to heaven with that what you have. Your material things, your BMW, your Audi, all this will be left here. So you could be having all the luxury that you can ever imagine, like what I have seen today, really majestically and magnificent things. But the thing is, while you are lying in your casket or you are lying in your bed, sick, really sick, looking for medical help and all other things. You will not lie in that hospital bed with your yacht. The yacht will be left right here in this world. So keep in mind, you're doing good, my sister, my brother, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are. Don't regret, don't feel anything bad. Nothing is wrong. Everything is right, and God is watching you wherever you are. So just keep in mind, there's nothing possible. There's nothing impossible in this world. There's nothing impossible in this world. Yeah, I paused a little bit so that people can walk. Anyway, the main point of this video is to encourage you. Whatever you have, it does not matter. You have your bicycle, you have your wheelbarrow, you have your tuk-tuk, you have your, I don't know, your roller. You go to work with the roller, others go to work with the yacht, others go to work with the BMW, the Audi and stuff. Nothing matters in this world. As long as you can move from A to B, it does not matter what you are driving. Nothing really matters. Don't stress yourself and don't make yourself like you're, oh, why can't God bless me with such and such? Hey, let me tell you, you can have all this, but are you happy in your life? You can have all these yachts like this one here, or the others I've seen in front there. Are you happy in your life? You have to think about basic needs in your life. Having your things, having material things will not take you anywhere. In your grave, you are lying in your grave alone. You won't be in that cemetery with your yacht, your BMW, your Audi and stuff. Yeah? Take in mind that anything in this world is just going to come to an end. We are also coming to an end. I'm not saying we will, I'm not praying for anyone, but one day, one time, this life will just come to an end. We will not have any other thing to do. We will be helpless there, and everything we had, we will leave it here. So don't worry. Take courage in life. You are in the right track, and God is going to really bless you. Thanks guys for watching this video, and we see us next time. I'm sorry it's been really hot. This place is really hot, and I've struggled a bit to summarize the video. So till next time, bye.